Hi, my name is Matt Konopka. I'm a trainer here at Prodigy Gym and Fitness, and my specialty is multi-muscle movements. So what I'm gonna have Chris do today is we're gonna show you an exercise that combines chest, that combines sit-up, that combines a squat, and combines a shoulder press. So what you're gonna wanna do is reference each one of those within the app. Chris, let's get you going. So what Chris is gonna do is a bench press. Bring it down into a sit-up, into a standing position, into a press. Right back down, that's 1 rep. Good, here we go again. Good, so just for those of you that don't know, Chris is a retired bodybuilder. If you can't tell, the guy's gotta work on his core strength. What you wanna do is keep your legs flat on the floor when you're doing the sit-up. When you complete 1 full rotation, again, that's 1 rep. All right. All right, Chris.